Hello and welcome at the beginning of this course. Now we are starting the real content and I would like to start with design trends. You know that this course is specific to PowerPoint presentations. I want to make you better at designing presentations, understanding presentations, being a better presenter, and all that falls into this category. But I also would like you to get more knowledge about design, everything which will help you to get better at the digital industry, better at your job. If you will be, for example, only a designer in the future, or a presenter, or someone who likes to work in PowerPoint, it doesn't matter. I want this course to not only raise your PowerPoint skills, but raise you overall as a designer, as an internet marketer, and as an online entrepreneur. So if you like all those things and those things will help you in your daily work and in your professional work, it will be perfect. So let's start our journey together and I'm going right into it. And since we now have February 2017, I'm also updating the course content and bringing you all the new trends. So in 2015, 2016, it was all about minimalism, typography, bold coloristic, and flat design. So I made a very quick review about design trends for 2017 and upcoming trends. Just watch this. The first website you are on, and it tells you about UI patterns. It tells you about bespoke illustrations. Overall, illustrations are coming forward and are very appreciated in design right now. So illustration, big, bold, beautiful typography. That's so obvious. We are looking on this from the perspective of a PowerPoint presentation designer, but this generally is about all kinds of design. So no matter if you are also interested in website design, some animations, some branding on your YouTube channels, like creating cover images, just look at this. This would be a perfect PowerPoint slide. I'll go forward. Authentic photography. We have great resources, and I also supply those resources in the beginning of the course about where you can download beautiful images. And just watch this. A beautiful image, maybe a few effects around it, and beautiful typography. Boom, a really ready, good PowerPoint slide would be created. And going forward on, of course, animations, and I'll just cycle a little bit through those websites. You don't need to check out everything, but I would like you to go into Google and Google Design Trends 2017, or the year we are currently at. Most likely for now we are 2017. Color, another beautiful slide. So strong coloristic color schemes, this is also very important. Branding, of course. So another useful website I found, graphic design trends you should know for 2017. And just watch this. This is a great idea for a presentation slide. This looks like a high quality presentation template for PowerPoint, and louder and brighter colors. Yep, those duotone coloristics are very nice. Duotone means coloristic set from two contrasting colors, and it's also a very strong trend in design right now. Bold typography, Google fonts, authentic photos. You see how repetitive it is, because design trends are global trends which you can follow, you perhaps should follow, because they will guarantee you good results. Bold photography and sleek text, it all falls again. Typography, bold photographs, nice poster design. Posters are also a very useful source of inspirations for presentations, and I immediately love this design, and I would like to create something like that in PowerPoint. We could use an image, we could cut out some leaves, and you could put the leaves separately here. Then you would make a border and text, but that's a bit off topic, sorry, but I do like this poster. Now you know a little bit about graphic design trends for the current year and the past years, and I would like you to do a quick 1-minute research. If you don't want to do this, please follow and continue to the next lesson. If you would like to take a second to check it out yourself, please do so, and we'll continue going forward with the course, with the material, and I'll be happy to see you again in a moment.